Virgo, this is your channel messages for the 13th of March. Let us see what is in your reading, Virgo, today for you. Let's go, Virgo. Ooh, okay, so we have the Ace of Wands and the Ace of Swords, Four of Wands, Virgo. That is usually I'm getting a lease, a contract. Are you moving? I'm getting a signing something. This could also be an invitation. I'm seeing a letter in a mailbox, something showing up. I'm getting an invitation. I'm not sure where this is. To the death card, to a funeral. I'm seeing you're getting news of somebody who died. Somebody died in them home. I'm getting something with a Scorpio. This could be something about an event a Scorpio attended. An altercation happened at the event. They died. Because I'm getting, you're getting news that somebody died in the home. Or at some type of residence. I'm getting something about a Scorpio. Is a Scorpio. Okay, I'm getting something about a Gemini. I'm not sure if the Gemini is who killed the Scorpio, if the Gemini is the one who commit the murder in the home. But I'm getting Ace out, yeah. I'm getting a Gemini is telling you this. Or you're getting news of the death of a Gemini. The Five of, yeah, I'm getting everybody. I'm getting something about a housing place. I don't know. I'm getting something about the people that live in this apartment are the people who are attending this event. I'm getting somebody want to block certain people from getting into the event. It's like every time the event is happening is a lot of argument and altercation, and like it's stemming from jealousy in the crowd. No, I am getting that there's something about a Gemini, Libra, Aquarius, Virgo that's going to make a point, whether you like it or not. And we're getting who's going to be mad. They're just going to be mad. The Gemini, oh my God, I'm sorry. I know. I need new cards. Is the Gemini, yeah. I'm getting it's a Gemini, Libra, Aquarius. I think it's a Gemini, like somebody's going to prove a point. And I'm getting everybody's upset, them arguing. I'm getting somebody do not care. You don't care? Because I'm getting you want to put an end to something. Maybe you want to put an end to a rumor. Maybe you want to move. Maybe you want to relocate. Or I'm getting something about a Gemini, Libra, Aquarius, like killing. I don't know if them kill them lover, kill a Scorpio. A Scorpio did something to a Gemini. I'm getting somebody in a course like screaming. Like saying, how could you? How could you do this? How could you do this? How could you do this to me? How could you do this to my son, my daughter, my mother, my father? Am I getting something like that? King of Pentacles. Yeah, the Hermit. I'm getting something about a private investigator or somebody who lives in a neighborhood who is watching a house. The Devil card. Gemini, I don't know what is this. I'm doing Virgo. Virgo, is this you? Come, I feel like you're paying a lot of money for keeps. I don't know. Feel like something can get fatal because we have the Lovers card here and then we have the Devil card here. It's like two people cannot stay away from each other. Virgo, whether you like it or not. I'm getting you pay a lot of people. I'm literally getting to a point where you're literally talking about digging a grave. Or someone is talking about digging a grave. But the Lovers and the Devil, that look like two people, I'm not going to say it's twin flame. But this is a very strong connection. This is in color and black and white. In color and in chrome. It's the opposite. It's for sickness and in health. In good times and bad. For rich, for poor. That's what this is. Yeah, the King of Water. Okay, I'm getting too many. Maybe somebody has many suitors. I'm getting there's a King of Pentacles that the Virgo prefer. Then there's a King of Wands that the Virgo is like, no. But I'm getting the air sign, the Libra, Aquarius, Gemini, whoever that is, they don't give a fuck what the Virgo wants to say. Me getting them, I don't know what, me getting you proving a point, Virgo, or somebody's going to prove a point. I don't know what's happening, Virgo. Maybe you need to check where your resources are going. Because I feel like maybe a Aquarius, Gemini, Libra is trying to tell you something and you don't believe. You believe a Leo over the air. You believe a fire sign over an air sign. I'm getting, because you're doing that, we're getting the air sign. It's like, you know what? I'm getting someone's proving a point. And it might make a lot of people mad. Virgo. I'll get some of these cards and leave it here. We have Aries. So I'm getting something about the Emperor. Something about your hair. We have political agenda. Could be your head. We have evil. Yeah, could be something about your head, your face, your image. We have Ophiuchus, that's the 13th zodiac sign, and we have Leo. Yeah, something happened with a Leo too. I feel like you believe the fire sign over the air sign. Leo is coming out, so I feel like you think Leo is a credible source. But I'm getting who's doing things behind the scenes. The movement is an air sign, it's not a fire sign. Virgo, I'm gonna leave it here. I'm getting the Virgo wants the Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn to do something. Then I'm getting there's a fire sign over here, a Leo, Aries, Sagittarius. Then I'm getting Gemini. Listen, I'm in this by myself and no one helped me. Okay, but you're not God. Shut up before you get exiled. Like Gemini is over. Gemini is like, shut up, you'll get exiled. I'm going to leave it here. Virgo.